I'm Emily. For this project, you will need core flute, a ruler, rope, paint markers, pencil, scissors and garden stakes. To make the tiles, I'm using white core flute, but you could also use masonite sheets, or if you have reusable cardboard around the house, you can also use that one. We are going to make the tiles 30 by 30, so you will need to grab your ruler and a pencil and start marking your core flute 30 by 30. Now that I've marked my lines, I'm going to grab my scissors and start cutting. Now I'm going to write the letters using paint pens. I've chosen orange and blue, but you can use whatever colour you like. Now that I've written all the letters onto all the tiles, I'm now going to write the value in the bottom corner. If you're unsure of the values to put onto your tiles, you can search them online. While I wait for my tiles to dry, I'm going to create my tile holder. To create your tile holder, you will need garden stakes and rope. Place 2 garden stakes. Tie the rope at each end. Now each player has a place to lean the tiles.